Hi everyone, quick welcome back to the workshop. I know I've been gone a long time, but I have been working on the airplane a little bit. I've been working on a couple of details, focusing on just little things here and there since the holidays have been consuming the majority of my time. But today I need your help especially, and let me show you what I'm doing. I'm going to be using my shotgun microphone. That's why the audio may not be so good for this video, but I'm going to be using my shotgun microphone to get as best quality of an audio sampling for you guys as I possibly can. So what I have here is a Sense Innovations sound module system that I'd like to put on the P-47, and I've done a lot of experimenting and playing around with this system, and what I've found is that there is no substitute for foam using these sound systems. Using Balsa is just not loud, it doesn't reverberate, it sounds tinny and thin, but foam has been the key. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to record samples, and I want you guys to let me know what you think in the comments below about which one you think sounds better, because I can tell you what I think, but you know, I like to incorporate other people in my builds as well, so I really need your feedback. So let's get to it. So the first thing I'm going to do here is play you just the sample with the box outside of the airplane. And I'll do that for both of these, and then I'll sort of position it where it'll be so it'll kind of use the wood as well to resonate, because they're kind of different sounds. So I'll start with a machine gun sound, and then I'll go through the whole engine startup, up, rev down, and shut down sequence. So this is white foam board without paper on it. Okay, so let's do the same thing again, this time with pink half-inch insulation foam. And the rev up and start up. Alright, so now I'm going to do that same test again, starting with the foam board material, only I'm going to put it inside the motor box where it's going to be positioned, and roughly where it's going to be positioned, and I'll do the same test over again and see if you can tell the difference. Alright, same test, only using the pink foam version. so that's the experiment, guys. Let me know in the comments below which one you think is the better sounding setup. And I'm going to try to play with this experiment a little bit more, see if I can find some other materials laying around the shop. I did try the experiment with the dollar store foam with the paper on, and it just did not sound good at all. Just very thin, very tinny, did not resonate well at all. Definitely needs that bare foam contact. So, any other suggestions? Leave those for me as well. I want to hear it. Thanks, guys, and have a great time building.